Get ready to unlock your writing potential with these unique AI-powered prompts. Say goodbye to bland sentences and predictable plots. It's time to supercharge your writing with these 11 next level prompts. I don't think you've heard of these before, so make sure you stay all the way to the end. The first set of prompts are going to be for overall writing improvement. Number one is the emotional translator. Choose a complex emotion. Think bittersweet nostalgia, suppressed rage, etc. Feed your AI tool a few descriptive lines about a situation or event that might evoke that emotion. Have the AI generate short passages or scenes demonstrating that feeling without directly naming it. This sharpens your ability to show, not tell. Number two is the style chameleon. Pick two wildly different authors, maybe Hemingway versus Virginia Woolf, a technical manual versus a comic book. Feed the AI samples of each. Task it with rewriting a short piece of your own work in each distinct style. This forces you outside of your stylistic comfort zone, potentially unearthing new ways to express yourself. Number three, the what if workout. Take a pivotal moment in your story. Have the AI generate 5 to 10 alternative outcomes, ranging from slightly different to completely outlandish. You don't have to use these. The exercise challenges your assumptions, and your plot could spark unexpected twists. Hidden agendas, number four. Give the AI a character sketch with one key detail, a hidden desire or deep personal conflict your character doesn't even consciously acknowledge. Have an AI rewrite a scene from your character's POV, subtly weaving in hints of this hidden element through their thoughts and observations. This adds depth and subtext to your characterization. Number five, I call the blind critic. Strip away all names and context from a chapter or scene. Feed this to your AI, asking for a summary of the dominant mood, potential conflicts, and the overall feel. Does the AI's impression match your intent? This helps you identify mismatches between what you want to convey and what the reader actually perceives. Now let's look at some sentence and scene level sharpening prompts. Number six is abstract imagery. Input a single bland descriptive sentences. For example, the room was brightly lit. Have the AI generate 5 alternate descriptions. Put aside the literal in favor of evocative imagery, metaphor, or unexpected sensory details. This breaks you out of your descriptive ruts. Number 7 is the dialogue diet. Take a dialogue-heavy scene. Ask the AI to condense it by 25%, keeping the core exchange intact, but forcing it to be punchier. Not only does this help eliminate wordiness, but it makes you analyze which lines truly carry weight. Number 8 is mood soundtrack. Describe a scene's desired mood, ominous, whimsical, etc. Have the AI suggest 3 to 5 songs that embody that feeling. Now, rewrite that scene, subtly mirroring the pacing, tone, and emotional arc of one of those songs. This helps infuse scenes with non-visual atmosphere. The so what test is number 9. Choose a descriptive passage. Have the AI ask probing so what questions to each sentence. Why does this detail matter? How does it impact the plot or character? This ruthlessly prunes away beautiful but ultimately pointless prose. Number 10 is the unreliable narrator. Pick a scene told from a character's POV. Have the AI rewrite it as if that character is deliberately misrepresenting events, either to others or maybe even to themselves. Analyze the differences. This teaches you to manipulate your narrator's voice for maximum effect. Number 11, I call the microscopic zoom. Select a single brief moment within a scene. Have the AI explode that moment outward, elaborating with hyper-focused detail on sensations, internal thoughts, and tiny observations. This helps build immersive scenes. Important note here. AI tools are awesome, but they're not a complete replacement for your own critical thinking. At least not yet. Use these prompts like a writing coach, not a magic bullet. The real improvement comes from analyzing the AI's output and making conscious choices about how to apply its suggestions. I'd also say that you could use any AI tool with these prompts. That can be ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any of the other many AIs that are out there right now, and those are to come. Now, I'm going to put a list of these prompts in the description of this video. Make sure that you check out the description of the video. I want to say thank you to Mentor who inspired this whole entire video and asked me to make a video about using AI to improve sentences and just improve writing. I hope these improve your writing. Check out the video description, like and subscribe. If you haven't already, leave a comment with your favorite prompt. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.